Hey there, profit lovers. We are still talking TikTok shops. Now, I've already dropped some really great tips for you, especially you service providers, but I still have two more. I'm Cheryl with Cheryl.wTf. And if you are tired of those business coaches who are full of hot air, then give me a follow because I am full of mischief, great ideas, actionable tips, and potatoes. I love potatoes. Baked potatoes, mashed potatoes, twice baked potatoes. Wait, where was I? Right. We were talking about TikTok shops and my journey of opening up my own. And I am just sharing all the goodies that I find along my journey. So today's hot potato is the TikTok Shop Academy. That's right. TikTok is so dedicated to getting all of you to open up a shop. They created an entire academy full of courses to teach you everything you need to know. And it's free. A social media company who isn't going to leave us in a darkened maze, bumping into walls, trying to figure out the mysteriousness that they expect from us. They're probably still laughing at us, but at least they gave us an academy. So, education for the win. So, how do you find this TikTok Shop Academy? Just type TikTok Shop Academy into Google. It's going to be at the top of the listings. You'll find it no problem. And I have one more amazing tip for you. It's a doozy. So make sure you give me a follow and I'll have that one for you tomorrow. I'm Cheryl with Cheryl.wTf, your wicked business coach.